Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to communicate with someone who was in another location? Maybe you were trying to close a deal with a potential client, or perhaps you were collaborating with a team member on a project. If so, you know how important it is to have a reliable video conferencing solution. In this video, we're going to take a look at Nextiva and see if it has the video conferencing features you need. Nextiva is a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of features, including phone service, VoIP, email, and collaboration tools. It's a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, and it's especially well-suited for remote teams. Does Nextiva have video conferencing? Yes, Nextiva has video conferencing. In fact, it offers a variety of video conferencing features, including high-definition video. Nextiva's video conferencing is powered by Zoom, so you can expect high-quality video and audio. Screen sharing. You can share your screen with other participants in the meeting. Recording. You can record your meetings for later playback. Integration with other Nextiva features. Nextiva's video conferencing is integrated with other Nextiva features, such as phone calls and email. Mobile app. Nextiva's video conferencing app is available for iOS and Android devices. How to use Nextiva's video conferencing. Sign in to your Nextiva account. Click on the Meetings tab. Click on the Create Meeting button. Enter the details of your meeting, such as the date, time, and participants. Click on the Create Meeting button. Once your meeting is created, you can share the meeting link with other participants. Additional features. In addition to the basic video conferencing features, Nextiva also offers a number of additional features, such as virtual backgrounds. You can use a virtual background to blur or replace your real background. Chat. You can chat with other participants during the meeting. Polling. You can create polls to gauge participant feedback. Annotation. You can annotate shared documents during the meeting. Pricing. Nextiva's video conferencing is included in all of its plans. The price of your plan will depend on the number of users and features you need. Nextiva is a great option for businesses that need a reliable and affordable video conferencing solution. It offers a variety of features, including high-definition video, screen sharing, and recording. It's also easy to use and integrates well with other Nextiva features. If you're looking for a video conferencing solution, I encourage you to give Nextiva a try. You can sign up for a free trial at Nextiva website. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on all things business.